last part that I want to talk about, that there are few things which are key. For everything to be unlocked, we need a key. Right? With Iman, we get the assurity, and to keep our Iman, there are certain keys that will help us. And what are those? So, what is it that we have sought that Iman is the key for? Jannat. That La ilaha illallah is the key for Jannat. Once we have that Iman and Iman bil Ghaib, that is the key for Jannat. The key for our Salah is Taharat. Hence the importance of staying bawudu. Not just before the Salah, but at all times. And wudu is not just taharat. Taharat is broader than just wudu. So please be mindful, inshallah. I'll talk about each one of these in detail. But for now, just keep in mind that these are the key things that we need to be working on to attain anything, any success. These are the keys. Iman bil Ghaib, the first thing. Taharat, the second thing. The key for being pious, नेक बनने के लिए,